This book is written by Sudha Murthy. Today we will read third chapter, first part, Salam Abdul Kalam. I have been writing column for a number of newspapers and magazines for a while now. One of them was the Week magazine. Writing column is not an easy job. One has to keep coming up with interesting anecdotes to write about. Sometimes the incident is so nice you feel like writing more, but you have to be careful about the word limit. Sometimes you don't get any idea at all, though the deadline may be nearing. Only very few gifted people can write regular column for a long time. Once I wrote a column for the week of the role of information technology in people's lives. It was called IT Divide. It was based on a true incident that once happened to me. Soon after the column appeared, one morning I got a call from Delhi. The operator said, Sri Abdul Kalam wants to talk to you. That time Abdul Kalam was Principal Scientific Secretary to the Government of India. I had never met him in person till then. I had only read about him in the papers and seen him on TV. Of course, I started wondering why a person of his stature would want to talk to an ordinary person like me. We had nothing in common. It would be like a meeting between a Himalayan peak and the peak of the Uncle Hill, which is in the small town of Hubli in North Karnataka. When Abdul Kalam came on the line, I said, Sir, there is a mistake by the operator. Perhaps you want to speak to my husband Narayan Murthy. I knew Mr. Kalam. From the other end, a soft, affectionate voice replied, Vanakkam, there is absolutely no mistake. I told the operator to connect to you only. I was thrilled. Sir, you don't know me, but I know a lot about you. I have read about your life in the book Wings of Fire, but I too know about you by reading your column. I read Ananda Vaktam regularly, where you talk about your dreams and your struggles. Today, when I read IT Divide in the week, I laughed and laughed. You have written on a tough topic in such a humorous way. I called my colleagues in the office and told them to read the column. Normally, whenever your column appears, I read the last paragraph first because it contains the gist. Then I read the remaining portion as and when I get time. That was the best compliment I had ever received. Then I write. I always think of the end first and then the beginning. Kalam seemed to have guessed that in no time. Thank you, viewers. The story of this book is very interesting and we can improve to our pronunciation day by day. So read this book, continue with me. And if my contents useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.